Green pile. Oh, put it in the green pile. Green pile. Good job. Oh, how about this? What color is this? Yellow pile. Good job, Clarence. Oh, this one. This is?
Wait. What's your name?
What color is that, Clarence? No. Where's the black? No.
Where's your mom?
There is the black pile, Clarence. Look. There. The end. There you go. The black pile. Where's the black pile? There it is. Good job, Clarence. Oh, get one more. Get one more. How about this? What color is this?
White.
White. Oh. Look for the white pile. Where's the white pile? Where's the white pile? Uh-oh, there it is. Oh, no. What color is it? Green, that's green. Where's the white? Yellow, that's yellow.
Please come soon. Okay, proceed now.
You? You found it.
White.
Oh, how about this one? What color is that?
Purple.
Purple. Where's the purple pile?
No.
No, that's the black one.
What?
Green yan, green. Red yan. Where's the purple? Oh, where's the purple? Put it in the purple pile.
Yay!
Yay! There's the purple. We found it. Oh, how about this? What color is this? Uh-oh. Hey! Where's the red pile? Current shape time.
Use the putter.
Square. Triangle. Pentagon. Circle. Octagon.
Putter is reading the green. That means he's looking to see which way the ball might roll.
Trapezoid.
Good job.
Keep your eye on
One
the
more?
ball.
One more. Uh-oh.
Okay. Nice putt.
Diamond. Pentagon. Triangle.
Focus. Keep your eye on the ball.
Rectangle.
Great putt.
Oval.
Not too slow. Not too fast, or it'll roll out the hole.
Trapezoid. Octagon. Circle.
That looks like a long putt. Nice shot.
Clarence, finish it first.
Diamond.
Yes, high five. High five.
Focus. Keep your eye on the ball.
Good job. Bye-bye. Clarence, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.